Okay, great. So let me make sure I'm tracking with you because this is interesting, and I think it'd be helpful for me to make sure I'm following. So Evolute 6 has got a process and methodology to essentially it's like a factory that builds companies, entrepreneurs that want to build companies that follow an Evolute 6 process.
Yes.
And so within the context of Evolute 6 proper, there will be stock, or it's a holding company that investors could invest in Evolute 6 corporate. Then Evolute 6, because it sounds like you're creating an incubator, let's call it like a 500 startups or Y Combinator, utilizing this process and methodology, that then you're going to be able to have first sort of shot at helping nurture and incubate these companies within your ecosystem, which then gives your investors that may have come in early to support Evolute 6 because they see the long vision, then have an opportunity to participate in the companies you're incubating. And then these companies could be ones that could exit and spin out or be sold and bought in another secondary exchange or primary exchange. And so the opportunity to convert to a cash event or a payback event for our investors is not necessarily in the short term and or long term with Evolute 6 proper. However, it's in what is being created by Evolute 6. The companies that come out of that, which was where we could get cash events and return on capital, return on investment in a shorter period of time. And I think you said somewhere around 5 years or something, 5 to some framework of time to sort of nurture, incubate, and then birth these Evolute 6 babies. Is that an accurate? Did I recall that correctly?
Yes. So between 5 and 10 years is when I expect to have a listing on a public stock market, at which point the shares become freely tradable.
Like New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ in the US or other exchanges in Europe? Okay.
Exactly.
So 5 to 10 years, they're going to be ready for the kind of the major leagues.
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
Yes, exactly. And up between perhaps a year or two after significant investment starts to come in, and that point of listing will be on a secondary exchange.
Got it.